Do you know why Black Friday is called Black Friday? If you don't, keep on watching and you will find out it soon. Hello everyone and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice, and today we are going to talk about Black Friday. And before we talk about the history of Black Friday, let's have a look at some vocabulary. Let's start. Friday, Friday, Friday. Sale, sale, sale. Discount, discount, discount. Purchase, purchase, purchase. Shopping bag, shopping bag, shopping bag. Cash, cash, cash. Credit card, credit card, credit card. Shopping center, shopping center, shopping center. Online shopping, online shopping, online shopping. Click and collect, click and collect, click and collect. Click and collect is a blended way of shopping when you buy a product online and then you pick it up in the shop. Now let's go back to the historical facts. Originally, Black Friday is called Black not because of sales and discounts as we get used to it. Actually, it had nothing to do with sales. It got this name because of a lot of vehicle traffic created by people who were trying to get to the shopping center the next day after Thanksgiving Day, which was on Thursday. So bus drivers and policemen called it Black. Black Friday is always a day after Thanksgiving Day. It's also the beginning of pre-Christmas shopping. Let's reuse the vocabulary. What is it? It's online shopping. What is it? It's a credit card. What is it? It's cash. What is it? It's a purchase. What is it? It's a shopping bag. What is it? It's a shopping center. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.